Okay, we are live. Today I'm live only in X and also in LinkedIn, and I will later, upload this video in YouTube. Why? Because I saw that the live streams in YouTube, they are not so much watched, and my goal here is to make you earn money with crypto as much as possible. And if not many people see my content because YouTube is not pushing it out, then obviously it's not good, you know. So that's why I'm live here. If you see me in X, if you see me in LinkedIn, please give me a thumbs up, give me a comment. If you're new to the channel, subscribe because you will get here the best alpha that you can find on the internet. I will update you about my 2x meme coin trades. I'm in a strategy where I want to 2x every single trade, my money, my Solana. It had worked out perfectly already. I'm now in two trades. I will show you the trades, very, very transparent. I'm announcing it every single time I'm doing a trade. So it's no like, oh yeah, I did it here. Look, my Ferrari. I'm showing you this publicly. If you want to follow my trades here, then just subscribe and let's do it. I will not take any more of your precious time. Immediately, I will go into the content. I have not so much time today because I have to pick up my children from school. But I can promise you, I can show you also, there is an exchange. They got an amazing offer, amazing, promotion. You can get a Porsche 911, you can get a villa in Bali, your own villa in Bali. But you cannot win it, you can just get it. You can earn it, let's say. Okay, so yeah, let's jump into the content and let's check what Bitcoin is saying. So now we are here in the 4-hourly chart and we are still in this upward sloping channel. Maybe, I don't know, but there is something forming here. Like, let's do it like this and see here. Yeah, there's something like a parallel trend line forming here. So yeah, but we're still in an uptrend. You have to admit we have higher highs, higher lows. In the 4-hourly chart, in the 1-hourly chart, it's different. In the 1-hourly chart, we are in a downtrend. You can see this here. We have a high, we have a low, we have a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So we can expect really more downside. We can expect more downside now in this exact moment. We are going up from here a little bit, and here is the trend line from the upward sloping channel that I'm talking now from last year. Imagine. So oh yeah, my microphone, maybe it's not, you cannot hear me good. But yeah, it is what it is. What can we expect now from Bitcoin? So what I think what's going to happen now here is we took out again this daily level that I was talking about yesterday. So from here, I think it's a good time to open a long position, and we can reach here this 102, 280 level. It's a weekly level. But then I think that we will see more downside. Why I'm thinking this? Remember here, 102,280. So okay, here's the liquidation map, and you can see here 103,000. Okay, 103,000. Here it's 107,000. There's a juicy liquidations. You can see here it's 1.4 million, 1.6 million. So there's a lot of liquidations. Even if we go to the 2-week chart, you can see here that it makes more sense now to liquidate this here, this area 102, 103, as I told you. And look, this aligns exactly with this level. So what we could do is maybe go here higher, take out all the shorts, because there are many people now short. Here they got a few got liquidated. Then I'm sure a lot of shorts open it here saying, oh yeah, we made a lower high and now we're going down. So there are a lot of trapped charts. So I think what the market maker wants to do now is to liquidate them here and then go down again, because if we go up from here, then everybody will say, oh yeah, no, or cool, bullish, we will go up, new all-time highs, whatever. It can also be, don't get me wrong, if we have a real signs, if we can see signs of strength, Bitcoin can go to new all-time highs. I personally doubt this very much. Okay, I think so. My strategy now would be take out this high, maybe with a wick a little before higher 103, 103, 500, liquidate all these positions, and then go lower again in this area, 86, 87, you know, in this box. That's what I think. Okay, and makes sense. We have here again, you can see 84, okay, 84, 81. So there are a lot of juicy liquidations. Somebody a message here. No, we're 10 people watching. Nothing bad. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. Here you have all the links. You can see here a link. There you have all the links for the giveaways, for the I have a trading group. I have a free trading group. Actually, I hired a new trader yesterday. I hired a new trader that can focus more on this future plays in Bybit, because I want to focus now 100% on my 2x strategy in meme coins. So that's why I cannot do two things and be the best at it. If you want to be the best, you have to focus on one single thing. Did you ever see a sportsman, a boxer that's world champion, also world champion in tennis? It's not possible. You have to focus on one thing. So I want to focus on meme coin because I think there's a lot of money to make. But there are a lot of people, they like to trade daily, day trades. And you can find in my trading group 3 to 5 highly profitable, highly accurate trading signals. If you want to go in this group, just here check in this. Oh, I have to renew this. Anyway, you have the link there. If you cannot go inside, send me a message. Send me a message on Twitter. I will send you a link. Oh, we're live. Cool. Please, if you're watching me from Twitter, please do me a favor. Repost it. Repost this live stream so that more people can take advantage and see this information here. My friends from Bybit, they are now trying to get a license for India. This is huge. I have a lot of friends from India. Do somebody from India watch this live stream, please? Put me a comment here. Also here you can find a lot of updates every single day. I'm sending you also some memes, some funny stuff. A meme that I'm invested in. I don't get paid from them. I don't get a single cent or whatever. I just like this meme and I think it's very funny. And I bought something. Here are some of the trades that I'm doing. Griffin trade. It's what's still not closed. You can see here actual price 20 cents. So yeah, that's what you expect. And here my trade from yesterday, Pengu. How is it going? Okay, how is it going? Okay, let's check my Pengu trade. My Pengu trade, okay, we are slightly up. I entered here on 750, 760, it's 813,000 market cap. I'm 100% convinced that this will very, very quick double, very, very quick. I have no problem to believe this. This coin was already in $3 billion real market cap. Okay, it was already here when it's pumped, when it came out on 4.3, but I don't count this. But this was a real market cap here. You see, went up, went down, went up again, and then went down. But I'm sure now it will bottom out here. It maybe can take a little time, but you can still enter. It's still good. It's still good market cap, 814. So if it comes to 1.63, 1.36 billion, basically you doubled your money. This would be 1.63, imagine. Basically here you would double your money. Why I take profit here? Because I want to double my money and I want to keep 10% for me in my portfolio. Why? Because I clipped 50 sold into this coin, 50 sold, 50, and I think that I can get 100 sold, but if I keep basically 5 Sol, 10%, and this makes still, I'm sure it can still make a 100x from here. Why? Because this is a coin that can get to 100 billion market cap. Imagine if Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, they want to 40 to 80 billion. This is a project, Pudgy Penguins, research about Pudgy Penguins. They have a huge, huge community. They have real use cases. They have real products. They are really making money. They have now an own layer 2 blockchain, Abstract. So there's, I have no doubt that this can go to 100 billion. So if I make a 100x on 5 Solana, that's another 500 Solana beside of the 100 Solana that I would make with my 2x. So that's what I do. Okay, that's the update on Pudgy Penguins. And looks, I don't really like what I'm seeing here, because I entered here on 12.5. It was really, really good already. I could have doubled already my money, but as I always want to take the half, and here I don't know why, but I did not buy 12.5 Solana. I bought 10 Solana, but I wanted 25 Solana, so that's why my take profit is much higher. Normally, here my strategy had perfectly worked out, because 12.5 plus or 12.5 by 2, it's 25. Okay, so here I would have doubled already my funds, but I'm sure it's a good project and it will recover. If you have any good project, any good meme coin project, put me a comment here, so I will research it, and if it's a good candidate for the 2x, yeah, let's do it. Okay, yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you very much. Here, look, this is Blofin. This is crazy. Blofin is a very good exchange, non-KYC exchange. If you want to trade, if you cannot use Bybit because they have a KYC and in some countries they are not working, then yeah, look, take Blofin. Blofin gives you here a Porsche 911. If you reach this required, it's 1 billion, it's very much, but if you reach 1 billion trading volume, you get in Porsche 911. If you reach 500 million, I think you get your villa in Bali. Yeah, 500 million, you get a villa in Bali. Imagine if you have $1 million and you open 20 you have $1 million, you open 250 trades and you close 250 trades, then you get a villa in Bali for free. Nothing bad. Okay, so, and yeah, you can get a Rolex, you can get a Harley, but here they have also the most important thing here is that this is a non-KYC exchange, and you can really trade without KYC, without putting your name on it. Okay, that's it. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's all for today. If you have a good meme coin that you think, oh, that's a good candidate for a 2x or whatever, it's a good project, show me the project, put me a comment. I will, in the next live stream or the next video, maybe talk about this coin. So it's a good coin, and if it's for me a good candidate for doing it 2x, I can give them a little bit of reach, a little bit of exposure here. Thank you very much. Take very much care of your crypto. Don't make money here and then allow somebody to send you a shitty phishing link and lose all your money. So it's not worth it. Take very much care. And yeah, thank you for being here. Subscribe to the channel. Please put me a comment. Tell me which coin you want me to analyze. Tell me if you are following me in a 2x strategy, because you have to think about one thing. If you 2x, $1,000, 2x, $1,000, 10 times. If you do it 10 times, then you have $1 million. I have doubled my money with meme coins way more than 10 times, way more. Did I make $1 million? No, because I was just testing. I was testing with 10 Solana, 5 Solana, 20 Solana, 25 Solana. Okay, but I did it in different wallets. So if I would have done it just in one wallet, I would have taken $1 million already. But I will do it right now. I will do it right now. I will. All the wallets I have, like 10 wallets. I created 10 wallets. Every wallet is for a different purpose. buy houses, buy a hotel, buy luxury cars, buy $1 million in Bitcoin, have $1 million for my trading account, have $1 million in cash, just a cash reserve. All this, a $1 million in a trading robot from my friend David Tech. If you want do trading, algo trading with a bot, go see David Tech, the best algo trader that I know. And yeah, that's things that I want to do after the bear market, after the bull market, when the bear market starts. Thank you very much. See you tomorrow. Please give me a like, share this video, and let's talk tomorrow. Bye bye.